On behalf of Proofpoint and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, Rethink Your Approach to Cybersecurity with Proofpoint, where Bruce Brody, Federal Resident CISO at Proofpoint, discusses the importance of a people-centric approach to security and the benefits of adopting this strategy. You will also hear why Abdul Manraj, email manager at Booz Allen Hamilton, decided to adopt a people-centric security strategy for his organization.
Thank you very much, and welcome everyone. I'm Bruce Brody. I'm a former Chief Information Security Officer at two cabinet departments, Veterans Affairs and Department of Energy. And in those roles, I focused entirely on the controls mandated by FISMA, which are mostly system-centric and network-centric controls, and the risk management framework, which implemented those controls and put them in place according to NIST 853, the controls catalog. And as we work through these various agencies over the years, we learned that we made progress in terms of improving the overall risk management and cybersecurity posture of our enterprises, but we also were missing a few important controls that I'm happy to say that now that I'm at Proofpoint, I'm able to articulate what those controls are and should be, and those are people-centric. Over those years of being a chief information security officer, I knew how to protect systems, I knew how to protect networks, but it was really hard to figure out how to protect people. And people are the new endpoint. People are the attack surface. Threat actors are increasingly targeting people, not infrastructure. And the move to the cloud is also changing the way organizations need to protect themselves. And as more and more organizations move to the cloud, that's all the more important. Cyber criminals are not focused on infrastructure the way cyber defenders are. Obviously, there continue to be vulnerabilities to be exploited in the infrastructure. The Department of Homeland Security mandated over the last weekend that the net logon vulnerability was so critical that agencies had to install patches before this past Monday. So there are still vulnerabilities that need to be addressed in systems and networks, but by far the largest attack surface nowadays is people.